How to do this look. To make it easier for everyone to understand, I take off half of the clothes. The photography hanger is installed on the tripod with a bracket. The lower crossbar is tied to the back of the tripod. Let the photo hanger tilt forward. The hem of the clothes hangs down due to gravity, away from the hanger, to create a three-dimensional effect. Bend this strong bend pipe back a little bit to keep the upper part of the hanger vertical and the lower part remains tilted. The clothes will have a natural three-dimensional effect. The correct angle of the arm rod is from back to front. Then bend it to imitate the pocket insertion action. This is the underarm support rod. Stretching can push the underarm clothes to the back. To make the underarm clothes flat and deep, I only installed one hem support rod. The hanger's lower part is stretched wider. To stretch out the hem, bend your arms. Imitate the pocket insertion posture. The hem of the clothes hangs lightly on the cuffs. Stuff the clothes. If it doesn't obey, you can stick a needle in the cuffs to make it behave. This is a collar support rod. It can hold the collar from collapsing down. The collar can't be buttoned. Then use a transparent magic tape to stick it to slightly open the collar. Find a good angle to take a photo.